Hey everybody, this is going to be once again a tell at a brand new Zara at the Roosevelt Field Mall in Garden City, town of Hempstead, New York. Again, I normally don't do tells on my videos anymore because I only go for fun hotel room tours, and last but not least, my friends, elevator enthusiasts, and especially my good old buddy from Montreal, Canada, which is Clara Joblin, and basically Alex BDN. So, here it is. This is going to be a tell of the brand new Zara, Roosevelt Field Mall, Garden City, town of Hempstead, New York. And I say this is a 2024 installation of you call this a Schindler 3300 XL, if I'm not mistaken. But photoelectric elevators filmed here before. I think it was back then, and I actually love this installation. I don't give credit from a Schindler 330 boring elevator, but it makes it less, to make it less piffy or whatever that is. So, but yeah, and this one is very cool, and it has that nice voice, everything. This is basically installed in 2024. New escalators, especially there's no MPE, but they have escalators too, so keep that in mind though. So anyways, this is gonna be a quick story, not story time. This is gonna be a quick tell from here to there of the brand new Zara at Roosevelt Field Mall, Garden City, town of Hempstead, New York. And also, please make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell, and then yeah, that's and turn on that bell so you don't get notified every time I post new contents like this. So with that said, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching.